3, 4, 5, 6 lengths on the airplane in the torque roll to the tail slide, Mr. Mike Whiskas from Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's right there in white caps in San Francisco Bay down here at Pier 39. That beautiful bright red biplane rolling as it goes up one more time. It is a 9270 standard conquest return. Lights back up. Watch it come in from the east. Got to get steam up one more time. Top speed of close to 280 miles per hour. He's at about 250 right now. Smoke back on. Starts rolling the airplane. He's inverted down. This is like walking under a low ceiling. Only this ceiling is made of dark green water. Right here in San Francisco Bay. How would you like to be hanging from the belts at 1 negative G, looking at a cruise ship and a beautiful Golden Gate Bridge? That's exactly what Mike Whiskas was seeing right there. Well, you think that the people on that ship are getting a thrill? How about that? You come under the Golden Gate Bridge, you got one of the most cool things you could ever do on a ship, 40 feet bent head on by a bright red biplane, inverted upside down at less than 50 feet above the water. Okay, he comes in one more time. From the west, Mr. Mike Whiskas, the Lucas Oil Pit Special. Right down, lower than the mast of the sailboat. Showing you the bottom of that aircraft. Which says